Istanbul, Istanbul, Istanbul. The first thing which is coming to your mind with Istanbul name is Taksim Square. Today I want to show you what is going on in this area. Be with me. Taksim Square, located in heart of Istanbul, is one of the city's most famous landmarks. Known for its vibrant atmosphere, historical significance spot for locals and tourists. And if you are sweet lovers, don't forget to come to Hafiz Mustafa in Istiklal Street.
Baklava, this nutty, syrupy pastry, rooted in Ottoman history, is a sweet symbol of joy and tradition.
Welcome to Hafiz Mustafa.
Welcome to Istiklal Street. Starting at Taksim Square, this lovely pedestrian street is packed with trendy shops, cozy cafes, and delicious restaurants. The St. Anthony of Padua Church, built in 1912, is a prominent Roman Catholic church on Istiklal Street in Istanbul, known for its beautiful architecture. Explore historic buildings and soak up the buzzing vibes of Istanbul's top destination. In Istiklal Street, you will find a variety of handcrafted items including ceramics, glassware, jewelry, textile, leather goods, calligraphy, illumination, and woodwork, each reflecting Turkey's rich cultural heritage and craftsmanship.
Yeah, at the end of Istiklal Street, you will reach the medieval stone tower, which is Galata Tower, and located in Karaköy area. Hope to enjoy our video. Be with us.